Alright guys, thought it'd be a good idea to take you around the outside too. So here you can see where they're at. They've got the decking in place for the front. The siding's going on. Looks like it's about 3/4 done. Walk you around the outside, hopefully without tripping over the piles of stones. There's that window off to the side from the basement level. And this way we can go inside and see that everything's in place down there as well. I'm coming out so you can see everything. Haven't gotten to the back yet. Man, I like the way those shed dormers look. Very nice. French door. Go inside. Hopefully the light adjusts well. There we go, nice. You can see the stairs coming down. There's your nanoblock water systems in place. Electric panels in place. Sewer drains in place. Water service is there. Lots of room. Of course, these floors will shine up like the other ones that we saw as soon as everything's out of here and they have it clean. Go over and check on the rough ends. See? There's the pipes. Looking good, guys. If you see anything you want to comment on or if you have any questions, give me a call. Take care.